How to activate HSBC debit card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Let's dive into the video. For this, you can either decide to use a mobile app called HSBC UK Mobile Banking app or just use their website to get their app. In my case, I'll just use their website. Open Chrome and then on the search bar search for HSBC UK Mobile Banking app. And then simply click on the first link. Now this is the place where you see all of your banking service. Just click on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner. From these options, tap on Help. From the pop-up, you'll find Card Support. Tap on it. And here we now have an option written Activate your card right here. Press on it. Now tap on Manage Card and select Activate Card. Go ahead and choose the card you need to activate and then confirm. And that's how you can activate an HSBC debit card. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.